In this video, you're going to learn how closely connected the Irish language is to place names in Ireland. Because I'm going to share with you a list of towns and villages from A to Z based on their English name. And I'm going to explain how these towns and villages acquired their name. In the vast majority of cases, you'll see that their name is basically an Anglicisation of their original Irish name. Let's begin. So, Athenry is first up. This name comes from the Irish Baile Átha Anrí, the ford of the kings. Baile Átha Anrí. Bangor is next. This comes from the Irish word bancher, which means peaked hill or a large curve, or it could also mean cliffs perhaps. Bancher. Next is the Dublin suburb of Cabra. This comes from the Irish word cabrach, which means bad or unsuitable land. Next is the beautiful town of Dingle in County Kerry. Dangan. This means fortress or stronghold. Dangan. Enniskerry is next in County Wicklow. Naskerra. That means ford of the rocky place. Next we have the Dublin suburb of Finglas. Fionglas, which means a bright or a clear stream. Fionglas. Next we have Gorey in County Wexford. Gura, which means sandbank. Gura. Moving on to Howth in North County Dublin. This actually comes from the Danish word hoved, which means ahead. But the Irish version is Bin Éidir, which means the peak or the cliff of Éidir. Not too sure who Éidir was, he may be an ancient Celtic figure. Bin Éidir. Next we have Innisfree, which is an uninhabited island in Lochgill, County Sligo. This has been immortalised by W.B. Yeats in his poetry. Innisfrigg, which means the island of the header. Johnstown is next. And you'll find this all over Ireland. For example, it's in County Kilkenny, but it's also in County Kildare. Ballyowen, the town of John, dedicated to St. John the Baptist. Moving on to Knock in County Mayo. This is a literal translation from the Irish word Canuck, which means a hill or a small mountain. Next, Lochray in County Galway. Baile Lochariach, which means the town with the grey lake. Mayglas is next. This is a rural village in South County Wexford. Mayglas literally means the green plain. Naas is next in County Kildare. Naas, which can mean a fair, but is probably more likely to mean an assembly or a meeting place. Naas. Ovens is next in County Cork. Ulvena. This means caves, and it's in reference to the great limestone caves in this area. Portadown is next in County Armagh. Port on Dunoin. That means the bank or the landing place of the little fort. Quilty is next in County Clare. Quilty is a fishing village there. Comes after the name Quilcha, which just means woods or woodlands. Ring is next. This is a small Gaeltacht village in County Waterford. Rin, point of land or a headland. Rin. Spiddle is next in County Galway. This comes from Spidale, and that in turn comes from Uspedale, which is the Irish for a hospital. So this must have been a place where an important hospital was a long time ago. Spidale. Thurles is next in County Tipperary. Durlas, which means a fort or a stronghold. Urlingford is next. Urlingford is a town in County Kilkenny. Á na Nurlin, which means the ford of the shafts or the place of the slaughter. Á na Nurlin. Ventry is next. This is a beautiful village in County Kerry, not too far from Dingle, made famous by the legendary Kerry footballer and manager Paddy O'Shea. Fionn Tra, which literally means the white strand. Fionn Tra. Waterusk is next, up in County Down. Uachtar Ask. Uachtar Ask. This just means the upper channel. And finally we have Youghal in eastern County Cork. Ochel. Ochel, which literally means the yew wood. So if you found this video useful and you enjoyed it, please give it a like. And I'll be back very soon with another video. I want to say a special thank you to all my Patreon supporters, and until next time, slán go fóill.